Hello everyone, welcome back to Affordable Tutors. In today's video, we are going to explore a website which is AI powered and mostly useful for a researchers that is looking for a relevant papers regarding their interested topics. So the website is SciSpace. I'm click on it, and the first website here is SciSpace AI. It's an AI powered website, and just wait for it. It's loading. And in the meantime, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe it because we're uploading new videos every single or weekly basis. So here you can see here that we have a query box and fastest research platform ever. We have here different other tools that you can later explore it for yourselves. But in this video, I'm just focusing on searching SciSpace. So here you can see high quality deep review. That's what it is, and click on it. Here we have already a default one. You can search your own research questions. I'm clicking on it, and here you can see it's loading and retrieving answer for you guys from different papers. So we are waiting. And here you can see answer from the top 5 papers. So these are the answers, the summaries from these top 5 papers with their references, and these you can see these are the latest papers. And here you can see those papers. You can load more here, like more and more depending on you. And here you can see you can filter it, those which have a PDF, those which are open access, those which are top papers. And here you can see the filters, more filters years wise, publication type, journals, and keywords. These are more options. And here you can see here select them if you want to similar papers or chat with these 10 papers, and looking for it downloading their citations. But this comes with pro features. You can just go here and find the pricing for yourself, but all other things are free. But these downloading the citation is comes in premium version. So it was all about today videos. I hope you guys like it and use it for your research purposes. And if you like this video, please give us a subscribe, and see you in the next video.